Hey everyone! Looking for the best cordless lawn dethatcher to bring life back to your lawn with ease? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing cordless lawn dethatchers of the year, considering power, battery life, features, and real-life results. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. MZK 13-inch 13-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher. The MZK 13-inch 13-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier is a smart option for homeowners who want an affordable yet efficient solution for lawn maintenance. With its 13-amp motor and 13-inch working width, it is designed for smaller to medium-sized lawns where precision and maneuverability are more important than raw power. This dethatcher effectively removes surface-level thatch, while the scarifier helps improve soil health by allowing water and nutrients to penetrate deeper. A highlight of this machine is its 4-position height adjustment system. This gives you flexibility to adapt to different lawn conditions, whether you need a light surface rake or a deeper pass to handle thicker layers of thatch. It also comes equipped with an 8-gallon collection bag, making cleanup simple and keeping your yard neat as you work. Unlike manual raking or traditional lawn tools, this dethatcher saves both time and effort while delivering better results. Number 4. Works Nitro 40V Cordless 14-inch Lawn Dethatcher. The Works Nitro 40V Cordless 14-inch Lawn Dethatcher is a premium option designed for homeowners who want maximum power and convenience in one package. With its brushless motor technology, this dethatcher delivers high efficiency, extended lifespan, and improved performance compared to traditional brushed motors. The 40-volt battery system ensures long-lasting runtime, and with 2 batteries included along with a charger, you can keep working without interruption. This dethatcher is built with a 14-inch working width, striking a great balance between efficiency and maneuverability. The 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between dethatching and scarifying. Number 3. Greenworks 40V 15-inch Dethatcher and Scarifier. The Greenworks 40V 15-inch Dethatcher and Scarifier is a powerful cordless solution designed for those who want the convenience of battery operation without sacrificing strength. Built with high-quality stainless steel tines, this model ensures consistent dethatching and scarifying performance that lasts longer than many competitors. Its 14-inch wide clearing path allows for efficient coverage, reducing the time spent working on your lawn. What makes this dethatcher especially impressive is its dual-function design. You can quickly switch between dethatching and scarifying reels, making it suitable for both light maintenance and more aggressive treatments. This flexibility allows you to use it during different seasons, dethatching in early spring or fall and scarifying in late spring or summer. The 5-position depth adjustment provides further customization, ensuring that your lawn gets exactly the treatment it needs. Another advantage is its cordless operation powered by Greenworks' 40-volt battery system, offering a balance between runtime and power. Number 2. DT 1516 16-inch 15-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier. The DT 1516 stands out as one of the most efficient dethatchers for homeowners who want professional-level performance at an affordable price. With a strong 15-amp motor capable of reaching 3,300 rotations per minute, it provides the power needed to clear heavy thatch buildup quickly and effectively. Its 16-inch wide path ensures that larger areas can be covered in fewer passes, making it a time-saving solution for medium to large yards. One of its most appealing features is its dual-function capability, allowing you to switch between scarifying and dethatching heads. The 20-blade scarifying helps aerate your lawn, creating pathways for air, water, and nutrients to reach the soil. Meanwhile, the 24 steel tines on the dethatcher head efficiently pull up dead grass and organic buildup, restoring your lawn's natural health. The 5-position adjustable height settings give you more control, whether you need a shallow rake or a deeper cut to tackle stubborn patches. Another benefit of the DT 1516 is its user-friendly design. It includes a detachable collection bag that makes cleanup easy and convenient. Number 1. Greenworks 24V Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower. The Greenworks 24V 13-inch brushless cordless lawn mower earns the top spot because it combines versatility, power, and convenience in one compact package. Although designed primarily as a mower, its dethatching capability through different configurations makes it an all-in-one lawn care solution. This machine runs on a reliable 24-volt battery system, giving you up to 30 minutes of runtime, which is ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. The brushless motor is a major advantage here, as it not only offers improved torque, but also extends the machine's life while running more quietly than traditional motors. Another standout factor is its 7-position height adjustment system. If this video helped you, Please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.